Hi, I'm Christa. I'm a nutritionist, and I'm here to take 5 to try to get you to drink more water. Most people don't drink enough water, and maybe that's why you clicked on this video, because you need some inspiration to drink a little more water and want to know why you should. Next to air, it's so essential to human health. You've heard of that expression, we've all heard of that expression, dying of thirst. Literally, a lot of us are so dehydrated and we don't realize it. I mean, think about it, we're 70% water. It would stand to reason that water is essential to our vital organs. We need water for our immune system to function properly. We need to flush toxins out from the body. It's the best way to do it. In case you're sitting there wondering if you're dehydrated, you could do an easy check. So take your hand, take the skin on your hand, and try to make a little tent. If your skin stays up, which I'm glad mine didn't, but if your skin stays up, then that means you're dehydrated. If it stays up for maybe 3 seconds or more, then you should run out and start drinking more water. So how much water do you think that you should be drinking? Most people, when I ask them that question, they give that kind of standard 8-ounce glasses per day. But we're all different heights. We're all different weights, we all have different activity levels, so I think that we should customize our water to those levels. A good barometer is to have about 1 liter of water per every 50 pounds of body weight. This is 1 liter of water. It's about 34 ounces. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you should be drinking 2 of these a day. 150 pounds, 3 of these a day. And if you're not drinking much right now, just start off slowly. Most clients, when I tell them this, they think they're going to float away. So just start off slowly with 1 and gradually work up your water intake. You'll start absorbing it better. So let's talk about a couple different types of water. There's a lot of them out there. You may have seen bottled artesian water, and that's just water that comes from a well. So if you have well water at home, it's good for you because it's going to have naturally occurring minerals in it. We see spring water a lot. Mountain spring water, which is wonderful because it comes from an underground formation that's flowing naturally towards the earth, and you're getting all of those minerals underground. And then we hear about purified water, which can have anything from distilled water to deionization to reverse osmosis. Within distilled water, what happens is they take the water and they vaporize it into steam, and then they recondense it back to water molecules. And the reason they do that is to pull out any kind of naturally occurring toxins or environmental toxins like chloride, chlorine, or fluoride, but it also takes the minerals away. So your best bet would probably be a mountain spring water. Now I want to introduce you to something, a super hydrant, and one of my favorite drinks that most people have never heard of before. Coconut juice. Not coconut milk, but coconut juice. Comes in a can and it also comes in a box. Now, coconut juice is a natural isotonic beverage. What that means basically is it's nature's Gatorade. It matches the exact electrolyte balance of our blood. Coconut juice is more nutritious than whole milk. It has less cholesterol and less calories. It's actually more nutritious than a processed baby's milk because it has lauric acid in it, which is found in human mother's milk. It's a great thing to drink in the morning because better than orange juice, has less sugar, has less calories, and definitely a great replacement for a soda in the afternoon. If you feel like you need some sort of a pick-me-up, go for coconut juice. You have to buy it in the health food store, bring it with you to work. Not yet, we're going to find these in vending machines. That's probably what your body needs, is rehydration. Coconut juice is probably the single best rehydrant after a flight. Now, it's not so easy to find in lots of places, so I suggest you buy a couple of cans and throw them in your checked baggage. You can guarantee to recover a lot faster than you would otherwise. So if just drinking plain water sounds boring to you, put a little lemon in it, put a slice of cucumber in it, or dilute some fruit juice, so that way you have the flavor, or drink some herbal tea. All those variations count towards your water intake for the day. And being a nutritionist, my clients really like to know that water is the single most effective weight management tool that you have. Okay? It's the easiest thing you can do to maintain your weight and to have proper cellular function within the body. It's the easiest thing you can do to feel your best and to look your best. I start off all of my new clients just by drinking 12 ounces of water first thing in the morning. That's going to kickstart your metabolism for the day. It's going to start flushing toxins out of the body that have been accumulated overnight and are ready to leave. It's also going to balance out your energy level. Most of us are dehydrated. We don't have a lot of energy, so we'll go grab a soda or grab some coffee, when really if we had some water we'd feel much better.